Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my newest listing. Now, if you're looking for a two-story home, over 2,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, including a bedroom downstairs, stay tuned, guys. You won't want to miss it. All right, welcome everyone to my newest listing, 5502 Cinnamon Ave, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89122. Now guys, what you are looking at is a two-story home, 2,277 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a really nice size lot. It sits on a 5,663 square feet lot, and the price is $465,000. All right, now as far as location goes, we're located right off of Boulder Highway in between Flamingo and Tropicana. So let's take a look. Right, so as we head towards like the entry door. Okay. So welcome in. So as soon as you open the door, you have this, you see this high, tall ceiling. Okay. And then you have your little hangout area over there, dining room over there. Okay. So yeah, definitely a really nice foyer. Now you're gonna have the stairs that go to the second floor. Also, you're gonna get the kitchen, and I'll show you guys the living room. Okay, so we do have your dining room. So welcome to the beautiful kitchen. Guys, repainted, remodeled, nice quartz countertop. You have this really nice looking blue, the blue cabinets. And look, you got the quartz, really nice quartz, you guys. Okay, so you have plenty of cabinets. You're gonna have the dual basin sinks right here. Now with this listing, all the appliances are included, which is a great thing. Definitely saves you some money, especially, you know, when moving in, because appliances could be pretty expensive, like refrigerator, washer and dryer, paying for blinds. Again, that could be like $5,000, $6,000. Okay, so we're gonna have your pantry right here. Nice sized living room, okay, with the electric fireplace. Now guys, this house does have a bedroom downstairs, so let's take a look. Now you're also gonna have your laundry room downstairs. Again, washer and dryer is included. Okay. We're gonna have your coat closet. Right over here, you're gonna have your full bath. Okay, single sink. Then you got your tile surround, shower tub combo. Okay, so welcome to the bedroom downstairs. Okay, pretty decent sized bedroom. You're gonna have your own walk-in closet right here as well. Okay. All right. Now here, you're gonna have your garage. But as you can see, my clients, they actually like to hang out here in this garage. They don't actually park their cars here. They park in the driveway. Okay. Now I'll take you guys to see the backyard, massive backyard. In case you were looking to build a pool, or you have kids, you're looking to, you definitely have a lot that you could do back here. Okay. Again, the lot square footage is almost 6,000. Okay, so that looks like the 2 AC units are on the side. And then right over there, you're gonna have your fence. So I'll take you guys upstairs. Now right over here, you're gonna have a small storage unit space. Okay. Currently my clients, they're definitely storing some stuff in there. All right. So here we'll head to the second floor. So as you can see, you have the attic access upstairs. Cool, so now when you get upstairs, you're gonna have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3. There's gonna be the full bath that the 3 bedrooms share, and then you'll have your primary bedroom right here, okay? So welcome to bedroom number 1, okay? So you got your standard closet right here. Okay. Bedroom number 2. All right. We have the 3rd bedroom. Now, welcome to the full bath. So you have dual sinks, okay, nice white cabinets. Then you have this separate door to the toilet and the shower. Okay, so you have your shower tub. You also have your toilet right here. Okay, so it looks like we have extra some cabinet space right here as well. Thermostat to control the temperature. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay. So I definitely like the ceiling. You have like nice tall ceilings here. Okay. Cool. So you have walk-in closet. And then here it looks like this is just some extra storage space. Okay. Place for your linens, extra storage, separate shower and tub. Okay, you do have tile surround. And then this is gonna be your toilet room. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, again, at all, reach out to me, guys. My info is gonna be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.